All right, guys, welcome back. Cody's Auto Diagnostics. Still working on the 2011 Dodge Charger. Went ahead and got the humidity sensor installed, and noticed that there is an update for the HVAC module for an odor smell. That is a concern of the customers. So we are going to go ahead and take care of that and stuff. Wanted to go ahead and show you. Turn this up a little bit. Not sure if you guys can hear the change in the air volume, but it is now working. I'll get you a picture. I just need to put the cover back on of the module, so it is good to go. I have the battery maintainer set up out there, the Schumacher battery maintainer on my cart, which it's on the bottom of that shopping cart. So anyway, we are going to flash. Sorry if you hear an air hammer. We got some suspension work going on. So to do this, I'm using my Cardac 2. My Cardac Plus 2 hooked up to the DLC. I have my laptop. I'm going right into the Drew Technologies program. It is a 2011, so we are going to go, kind of hard for you guys to see. And pick the Cardac 2. Trying to do this through the viewfinder is difficult. So it will populate right now once it gets loaded and display over here on the left of the modules that have updates available for it. So all these modules there is an update for. You can also go up in here to the topology, and every single one of these that has a lightning bolt there is an update for. And you can go into it and it will tell you, actually we'll go into the HVAC, and it will tell you right here the description, the TSB of what it's going to fix. And this here talks about, so it talks about reprogramming the HVAC control module, yada yada yada. Customers may describe an unpleasant odor in the vehicle after driving from the highway speed. Okay, so verify, that is an issue. Okay, so if you guys want to read through that, I'm sure you can. I'll give you the TSB number. It is up here, 24014-16. Okay, so we want to go ahead and flash it. I have reviewed. And we wait. It just turned the HVAC module blower on. Just shut it off. It's erasing the logical block. It's doing all kinds of stuff on the dash here. And we wait. This is where I wish I could speed it up for you guys. Right now I'm just grabbing the camera, pointing and shooting, so no editing or any of that crap. Waiting on a new camera to show up, so hopefully I can give you guys a little bit better quality videos. Now, you do need a Tech Authority subscription in order to flash with the Drew Technologies. So it's not just having the Drew Tech, you also have to have the subscription to do so. And wait, come on, almost there. Come on. Just turn the heads up on. I guess it's not a heads up, it's the climate control. And if you notice, flash complete. We press OK. Flash is complete. So now when we go into the flash, if you can see here, the HVAC control module no longer has the lightning bolt. So it is up to date. So that's it, guys. I just kind of wanted to walk you guys through that. Pretty quick and simple, but yeah, that humidity sensor did take care of the issue and just performed an update for the customer. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.